Will it make a snowball?
No.
Nope. We can't make a snowman today.
No snowman yet. Oh, Addison.
Was that fun?
Yeah. Come on. Keep running out.
Don't land on your knees.
I just did all that shoveling on that sidewalk, and y'all just messed it all back up.
Oh, well, Dad.
So, come here. Come here. I want you to stand right there. I want you to stand right there.
I'm gonna eat the snow. Daddy, I'm ready.
So it won't make a snowball?
No, we can't.
It sure won't, will it? It's too dry.
Daddy.
Ah, got it up.
Check this out.
What?
Let Riley put his hat back on. Riley, put your hood back on. Darren.
Oh, put your hat on. Don't get snow in your ears.
Mom, put my hood on.
What do you think you're doing, man?
Got snow in it.
You want to fall on that?
Oh, Addison.
You want to fall on that? You want to fall on that concrete?
No. Pay back.
You trying to do this?
Oh, careful, Addison. Oh,
Get off from there. Get down from there. You're going to fall.
Hey, Dicklebird over here.
You want some of that?
You want some of that? You want some of this? Want some of that?
careful, Riley. There's a step right there. You just can't see it.
Mama, can you just hold this in?
Hey,
Oh,
Can I what?
you think you...
I think.
Oh, it's freezing my chin.
Man, Sheree.
Come here, Riley.
It's freezing my chin.
Down there.
I know. You need to get your face covered, baby.
Oh.
All right, go play.
I want you to stay laying down. Come on, Riley.
Darren.
Don't get it in his face. Cover him up over there. Not being in a... Watch it, Riley. Come on. That's it. Got that deal. Ta-da! Move, Riley. Move, Riley. Move, Riley. Go that way. What do you think about that? Is it pretty warm? Huh? Is it pretty warm?
Yes.
Get him up.
He can get up.
Run him out.
Hey, I got an idea.
I got an idea, too. I'm about to have to go in the house.
What?
Sorry.
Watch
I'm
out.
about to have to go inside. I'm cold.
Check this out. Get out of the way. Like it's a snowman.
You're ringing, baby.
Yeah. I'll help. Yeah.
What is it?
Thanks for calling OMH. This is Cherie. How may I help you? Yeah. Yeah, he's outside making a big fat snow pile. Hold on here. Yeah, he's right here. Hold on. It's Brad.
Hey. What are you doing? I've been shoving up all this snow to a big old pile so these kids can run and jump in it. Because it won't make a snowball. Yeah.
What?
Okay.
What is it?
Somehow, the bruise of snow is getting hit.
It's alright. Look.
Yeah.
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 Where's up here?
I can't.
Hey, what's that? No, where's this up? No.
Yes, I got,
well, we
baby.
got one on the way back, right?
No. We're fixing to have to go in, guys. It's pretty cold.
Yeah, me too. So a guy really bought 3 of them? Oh, really? Well, we got that one at Jim's oil field too.
It sounds like it's raining.
I'm going in, okay? It's cold. All right, y'all ready?
Stay out a little longer, baby.
I'm freezing.
Well, welcome to the Northwest. Riley. All right. Oh, it's too cold to be out here filming this. And Addison fell down and Riley kicked him. He's got on snow boots, so I'm sure that it hurt.
No.
Oh,
Yeah, this snow just like dust.
it's a lot, Addison. Hey, go do it right over there.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah,
Hey, Addison. Addison.
All right, well, I'm going to shovel it a little bit again, then I'll be back there in the house.
Don't do it
I
anymore.
got,
You don't know what's
got that
under
money
there.
in the bank. Got a couple other deals going there.
You don't know what's under the snow.
All right, well, I'll holler at you in a bit.
You might hurt yourself.
Isn't it grand?
Yeah, but I'm freezing. I need to go inside.
Oh, there's concrete right there, boy. Get out in the yard.
Get out there.
Get out in the yard.
Over there.
So that's how deep it is. It's that deep.
Mommy, watch this. Watch this, Mom.
Hold on.
Take this.
You made it all fall. If you hit it real hard, it'll all fall off.
Oh.
Watch it when you do it. Huh?
Oh.
All right, Addison, that's good. Watch out for the step, okay?
That's it. Get away from the concrete. Y'all gonna fall and it's gonna hurt.
No, don't wreck it. No, it's bouncing. No, you're not. Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Tickle perfect has snow in my nose.
Huh?
Mama, I need you to pull my glove up.
You see if Daddy can do it. I don't have an extra hand.
Thank you.